OMDS has just launched a new product, an audio recorder LS-P5. Let's look into it. Hi, it's Peter here. And before we start talking about the LS-P5, I need to say a disclaimer. This recorder is not mine. It was sent to me from OMDS and I can test it for about a week. And that's what I've been doing. Of course, everything I say is my own opinion. OMDS did not tell me what to say, or they didn't even say that I have to make the video. And like I said, all the opinions on this video is based on short usage of the new audio recorder LS-P5. This LS-P5 is a successor for LS-P4 and it has some improvements, of course. I'm not gonna go into deep technical things. I'll put some links in the description of this video so you can watch more technical reviews of this video, of this product. I mean, I'm using it right now to record this video and let's see how it will sound. And the improvements are, the first one that I think is really crucial for the usage is the placement of the tripod mount, or the mount that you can attach it to the shock mount, for example, which is included in the one of the kits that is available. The thing is that now if you place it on top of your camera, and it won't be in your way when you're using the EVF when shooting video. LS-P4 had a bit of a problem with that. And then also the mic input and the headphone jack are on the other side, so that they are more close to the ports or the plugs that can be attached to the camera. Well, the mic input in camera is on the same side as it is in here, because right now what I'm doing is I'm recording to the LS-P5, but I do have a cord to the camera, and the camera will record also. So I have two audio tracks for this video. One in camera and one in the internal memory of LS-P5. And I think this is a very good way to record something important. Of course, this video I could do it again, but if you're doing client work like I do quite a bit, and doing videos and interviews and stuff like that, you need to have a perfect audio. And you need to have the audio. In many cases, you can do a video with the B-roll. You can go back and do some B-roll if you have the audio. But if you don't have the audio, you don't have anything. So now, when I'm using this, I do have two sets of video. And what I've been using before is LS-100. But now, I might be using this, and I might get one for myself, because it's a very handy way. And I can attach, of course, wireless mics to it, into the mic input, or I can use the built-in microphones like I'm using right now. And the mic has a zoom, so you can have it really wide, or you can make it more directional like I'm using it now. And that's really, it doesn't take that much sound from the sides. It's concentrating on my speech, so it's kind of aimed to my face, and then it will pick mainly from this direction, the audio, which is really good. And this is also if it's a really noisy situation, and use this in wherever you might want to use it. You know, bird sounds or any ambient sound anywhere, you can point it towards that and it is more directional. And I think that's a good thing. And sometimes you might need a wider thing if you want to get an ambient sound of let's say, a conference hall with all the buzz and stuff to add to your video. Then, you know, the wider angle might be better. But I think it's a good thing that you can adjust that. And it can also be used as a USB mic on your computer. You just plug it in and you're good to go. Just use that for your mic and start recording. And I think that's a very good. You don't need any firmwares or any special software. It just works. And I think that's a good addition to this recorder. And what's really great about also that it is compatible with most Bluetooth headphones. So you just add or connect your Bluetooth headphones to the recorder and you can monitor the sound. Let's say that you have placed the recorder to a table way back, like an interview. If someone has been interviewed, and then you just place it there and go back and follow the let's say the press conference, and you can monitor the sound with your headphones. And what's great about too is that it has an app that you can remotely control the recorder. It's a Bluetooth connection, so you have an app, which I did not have possibility to test because it's not out yet. It will be when this is actually available, and to be honest, I'm not really sure what the day is. I try to find out and put it over there. So you can start the recording and stop the recording from your phone, from the app. And there's an Android app and an iOS app. And I think that's a great addition, because then if you, let's say that you have a recorder set somewhere further away, and you can start the recording when the thing starts, and then you can stop it, so you don't have to record if someone is like 15 minutes late, for example, from a press conference, which might happen sometimes, and you can just start the recording when the actual thing starts. And I think that's a really good thing. And they made some really good additions. And like I said, if you want more technical things, because I'm not a audio specialist and all that, but I need to know the basics to use the recorder so that I can get the best audio as possible. But if you want more technical, like I said, I will put some links in the description to some videos in YouTube that you can watch. I have had no problems with the audio quality, what I've tested. I think it's top notch like it should be. And Olympus/OMDS is known for its really high quality audio equipment, and LS-P5 is no different. It's a great audio recorder. If you need a small handy audio recorder that can do many things, then this might be the option. At least it is an option for me, and I really consider getting one. Well, let's see, was there anything else? Yeah, the big thing is that I'm really glad that OMDS made this new recorder. So this kind of proves that they are for real in the business. If OM1 did not convince you, then this audio recorder should wake you up and see that, you know, OMDS is really into providing new gear. And I'm really excited to hear what they will be launching next. I have no idea, but I'm sure that there's something coming in the near future. Here are some more videos about this. If you haven't subscribed or watched omsystem.camera's YouTube channel, then you should, because they have plenty of good videos about OM gear and also about this new LS-P5 audio recorder. There are some tutorials and some best practices that you can use. And then, of course, my good friend Jimmy Cheng from Red35 has a great video about this. You might want to watch those next. But hey, thanks for watching, and bye for now.